Yeah, what's up ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Elbend. Welcome back to my new tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how I create this mask transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you have to shoot two different clips. So one clip, your camera, it is on the tripod, stable, so and then the subject pass through on it. The second one, it's a normal clip. So and then as you see here on this workspace of my Premiere Pro, and then this is the first clip, this subject was moving around, okay, the camera was on the tripod, and then this is the normal clip, okay. So and then the things I have to do, I have to come here on this first clip, okay. So I started by here when the subject it is on the frame. Well, so the things I have to do, just click here on it, and then I'm going to use this free draw bezier tool, okay, here on opacity, because I'm going to select this subject, okay, and where it is going. So I have to mask this subject well, okay. So let me just mask something like this, okay. Okay, so and I have to mask around where it is going, yeah, okay, in the space where this subject is going, yeah, I have to mask this place. Now you see guys, this another place it is empty. So the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to track and where my subject will be going, okay. So I have to click here on this clip, okay, and I have to move frame by frame, okay. So before you starting moving one frame by frame, I have to click here on this mask path, okay. Now you see the keyframe, it is already here guys, okay, and then I have to just feather to mask to make mask feather something like this, okay. All right, okay, and then I'm going to start moving frame by frame, okay. So I have to jump frame by frame like this, and I have to move this mask something like this. Now you see guys, the second frame it is already created, so and I have to keep moving frame by frame, okay. So doing something like this. So for example guys, if your subject it is moving by just doing another things, you can just use this point of mask, okay, there is no problem, just to move around, okay, step by step, okay, track it first, okay. Okay guys, so when you have already done to track this mask, step forward, so and then you have to come here where the first frame it is, and I'm going to track mask backward. So the things I have to do, I have to press here on this footage, and then I press the back forward something like this in order to track where my subject was already starting moving, okay. I have to do something like this, because this subject was not started by in frame, in the middle frame, so it was started by here at the beginning of the clip, okay. So I have to track something like this guys. So remember, this frame which is aside, it must be still here on this aside guys, okay, something like this, okay. Alright, so now I have already done. Now I just want to take this second clip and I have to put it under here, or this, yes, of this normal clip, okay. So it will be translated automatically. So and then when I play, this is where my footage is starting, and then when I play, you see how the transition guys it is. But here there is some mistake errors, you see guys, you have to just fix it. Make sure you have to find where the keyframe it is, okay, it is this one, and then press here on this mask one, and then you try to move it up something like this. Okay, and then guys, you have to make sure if there is no other errors in the masking, and then you have to fix it. Okay, all right. And then when I play now, this is the transition of my clip. So guys, this is how you can create this transition of your clip. And then the things you have to do, you have to shoot 2 different clips, but the first clip which we are going to use for the transition must be unique. So the camera must be on the tripod in order to track. Okay, and then the subject, it must move around on the frame. Okay, so in order to track where your clip. So then this is how you can create masking transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any question, please drop in the comment down below and let me know what you think, and I will see you in next video. Peace.